In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Mitrade account. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside the mobile app, you want to go to the bottom right and tap on where it says Hub. And then in here at the bottom, you can see it says Settings. So just tap on Settings over here. And then as you can see, there's a bunch of different things. You want to tap on Security up top, so the first thing. And then in here, you'll be able to see Account Management, so it's the second button. Now tap on Account Management, and from here you have one option, which is called Close Account. This is basically how you delete your account, so tap on that if you're sure you want to do that. And then over here it's going to tell you everything about account closure, and as you can see here, it says that once your closure request has been accepted, your account could not be restored. So here it's going to give you some tips on what you should do, and of course what you have to do if you want to actually close your account. So you must have basically no pending withdrawal requests, no open positions, and then basically no balance, so make sure you withdraw everything. And if you actually are sure and you understand what's said over here, tap on the next button at the bottom and you'll be able to submit your deletion request. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.